Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import emails from Outlook using Excel. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, open the Excel, go for this developer tab and click on this Visual Basic. Go to tools and then click on this reference. Select Microsoft Outlook 16.0 Object Library and click on OK. Now go to Insert tab and insert module. Now you have to write here subroutine. We will declare the valuable Outlook application. Declare the variable for namespace and then declare the variable for Outlook folder. Declare the variable Outlook mail item. We'll set this namespace use bracket MAPI bracket to return the Outlook namespace from application. You just have to write things like same I am doing. Set folder to return as set folder to returns a folder object that represents the default folder of the type requested for the current profile. Here for loop will be used. Declare more variable for last row. Here we will write last row and here we will declare range of email sender name. And here we will declare range of email sender, and here we will declare range of email subject. Then you have to declare range of email receive time, and here we have to make conditions to avoid not responding problems for the application. Do events make a bit pause for every 100 rows. Now click on this run button. Now we will open worksheet. Here you see the Outlook emails have been imported. Now we will only import emails from a single month. Now you can see here Outlook email is all here. In this we will import only the emails of a month, and let's go to VBE now. Here we will use a condition if the email item's date is greater than or equal to, and here we will use the data serial function. Delete the imported data, click the run data. Data not imported. Let's import data for month. We just change the date. Click on the run again. Now you can see that all the mails received in the month we have selected have been imported into Outlook. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to import emails from Outlook using Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.